the session. Today we will discuss exercise 11.3 in trigonometry. The first question is evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Let's see the solution. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. 36 degrees, you try to express 90 minus theta. So I am writing tan of 36, I am writing 90 degrees minus 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Here 90 minus 54 is nothing but 36. Now see here, tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot. Cot theta means here how much? 54. So cot 54 degrees by cot 54. Both get cancelled. Our answer is 1. Let's see the second solution. The given question is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Now we can express 12 degrees as 90 minus. So cos 90 minus 78 degrees. Here 90 minus 78 degrees is nothing but 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Now see here cos 90 minus theta is how much? That is sin theta. Theta means 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Both plus sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees get cancelled. Our answer is 0. Now we will solve the second question. That is on the screen. So that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Let's see the solution. LHS equals to tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now tan 48 we can express as tan 90 minus 42 degrees. Now we can write tan 16 90 degrees minus 74 degrees. Next tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now tan 90 minus theta is how much? That is cot theta. Theta is nothing but 42 degrees into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Theta means 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. If you observe carefully, cot 42, can I write 1 by tan 42? Yes, we can write into cot 74, 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now here tan 42 degrees get cancelled, tan 74 get cancelled, so that LHS equal to 1 equal to RHS. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Let's see another question for better understanding. That is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equals to 0. Let's see the solution. LHS equals to cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. See, cos 36 degrees we can express as 90 minus 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. In the same way, cos 54 also cos 90 degrees minus 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 54 degrees into cos 90 minus theta is sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now here plus sin 54 sin 36 degrees get cancelled with minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So equals to 0. So equal to RHS. So therefore LHS equals to RHS, which is nothing but cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equal to 0. To enhance your skills, we'll do the next problem. It is if tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. See the solution. The given data is tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Now try to express two ratios are in the same. So I am writing tan 2a in terms of cot 90 minus 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Now cot get cancelled, remaining is 90 degrees minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degrees. Now we will take the variables are one side and constant is either side. So here 90 degrees minus 18 degrees comes to the LHS side, that is plus 18 degrees equal to a, minus 2a comes to the RHS side, that is plus 2a. Finally 90 plus 18 is 108 degrees equal to 3a. Next a equal to 108 degrees by 3. 3 ones 336. So a equal to 36 degrees, which is acute angle. So finally the value of a is 36 degrees. To enhance your skills, we'll solve the next question, that is if tan a equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Let's see the solution. The given data is tan a equal to cot b. Now tan a we can express as cot 90 minus a. Cot 90 degrees minus a equal to cot b. Both sides cot get cancelled, so that 90 degrees minus a equal to b. Minus a you transfer to the right hand side, therefore 90 degrees equal to a plus b. This is our proof. Let's see another question in the same method, that is express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. The solution. The given data is sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Sin 75 degrees we can express as sin 90 degrees minus 15 degrees plus cos 65 degrees we can express as cos 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Now sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is nothing but 15 degrees. So plus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, means sin theta is nothing but 25 degrees. Finally sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees equal to cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. These values in between 0 to 45 degrees. Next, one of the important question we'll solve right now. That is, if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Let's see the solution. From the given data, ABC are interior angles of a triangle. So, sum of the angles equals to 180 degrees in a triangle. Now, A plus B equal to 180 minus CD. Now, A plus B equal to 180 minus C. See here in the question we required A plus B by 2. That's the reason we are dividing total equation by 2. So, A plus B by 2 equal to 180 degrees minus C by 2. Now, A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now, we got in the left hand side A plus B by 2 equal to 90 minus C by 2. According to the question, we require tan ratio. So, here apply tan ratio on both sides. So that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Now, tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but C by 2. This is our required proof.